So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop trending searches in your Google. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to the Google in your Android device. Here you can see in the top right corner your profile. Click on your profile picture. Then scroll down a little bit and here you can see settings. Go on settings. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see other settings. Go to the other settings. And here there is an option of autocomplete settings. Go to the autocomplete settings. Here you can see various options. Just on off autocomplete with trending searches and on device web suggestions. Like this your trending searches will be turned off in your Google. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.